And this is Uptown Swing level 1, 8 count. We're just going to review a lot of the stuff that we have already learned this month. Oh, and I found out that I saw you guys week 1. I apologize. The first thing was we're going to talk about a swing out from closed position. So we have rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. A couple points of order there are on the floor. We want our weight to be going that direction on the left foot leaders, making sure that the follower has the momentum to go do that swing out. 3 and 4, and then we open it up. Da, 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 da. Okay? So that was a swing out from close. Now we're going to go back into close. What we talked about here is weight distribution. So it's really hard to do a swing out from a stationary position. So we just talk about, okay, how can we feel each other's weight? So we're going to sit a little bit, we're going to pull our hips back a little bit, and now we have enough where the follower knows which foot I'm on, okay? So now I'm on my left foot, I'm ready to do my swing out, I'm going to move my entire body back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, so now we're back in a close position. And then we can just do swing out, swing out, swing out. We have all the elements. We just gotta practice, practice, practice. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 3, 8. Da 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 da. Now we trickle it up. Da 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 da. Step. One last point is the pivot on the circle. I see a lot of folks trying to walk around each other like this. Okay. Try to regard your partner. My right foot followers right foot. So we're pivoting around that spot in between us. It's going to make that circle a lot. It's going to feel a lot better. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's enough. Work on all those things. Let's work on your rhythm. Practice in your kitchen. You guys look great. See you next time. Bye.